Your cost of attendance is going to show, if you go to UVU, that it's going to cost you $15,000 a year to go to college. Who has $15,000 right now that they can write a check and take care of your college? Nobody. I have some good news. $15,000 includes your transportation, your rent. Who lives with their parents? Raise their hand. Who's going to stay with their parents while they're in college? Raise your hand. It's free food, free rent. Yes. I wished I could have moved in with my mom while I was going to college. Who is going to ride the bus? Raise your hand. Okay, transportation is included in that. So there's a lot of things included in your transportation, in your cost of attendance. Your cost of attendance, though, is what you guys want to watch the closest while you guys are getting ready for your financial aid packages to be set. Your cost of attendance is how much financial aid you can get. That's the good news. So you really don't have to have $15,000 right up front, and your parents don't have to shell out a bunch of money either. So that's the good news. Utah is one of the lowest, and UVU is one of the lowest tuition rates. You guys can check out who's going to school in Utah. Who's going to go to school out of state? Okay, so for out of state, it's going to be a little bit more because of their cost of living. That's how their cost of attendance is evaluated.